This is India, a country with a very diverse topography, varying from ice cold mountain peaks of the Great Himalayas in the north to the dead hot Thar Desert in the western side. From the wettest and rainiest place on earth, Mawsynram in the northeast, to one of the driest cold deserts in the Ladakh region of northern India. From the beautiful beaches in the southern part and lush green mangroves in the east to the coral islands of Lakshadweep where there is hardly any vegetation. But what lies at the extreme points of India? Let's find out. In the mainland India, there are four extreme points in each direction. So let's start with the northernmost point of India. It is a glacier located in the Union Territory of Ladakh in North India known as Siachen Glacier. It is located in the Karakoram ranges of Great Himalayas and situated at the tri-point of India, Pakistan and China, and also serve as a ground zero for the military of all three countries. 37 degrees 7 minutes north latitude passes through Siachen. It is an extremely cold place to live as the temperature there can dip to even minus 50 degrees Celsius. Siachen is considered to be the longest non-polar glacier in the world with a length of around 76 kilometers. Next we have the westernmost point of India. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India. In Gujarat, there is a small village located in the Kutch district known as Guharmoti, which is considered to be the westernmost point of India. It is situated near the boundary of Pakistan and at the coast of Arabian Sea. 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude passes through Guharmoti. It is mostly a plain area with moderate climatic conditions. Near Guharmoti, there is situated a water strip known as Sar Creek water strip, which is considered as the water boundary between India and Pakistan and is currently under dispute. Next we have the easternmost point of India. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of India. In Arunachal Pradesh, there is a small town located in the Anjo district known as Kibithu, which is considered to be the easternmost point of India. It is situated at the border of India and Myanmar. 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude passes through Kibithu. It is a hilly area covered with lesser Himalayan mountains. There is a military station at Kibithu known as Kibithu Military Camp, which is separated by a 22-kilometer long road from Wallong, which is the site where a historic battle was fought during the 1962 Indo-China War. Next we have the southernmost point of India. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India. In Tamil Nadu, there is a coastal town located at the southern tip which is known as Kanyakumari. It is a beautiful town located at the confluence of three water bodies, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. It is also known as Cape Comorin during British rule in India. 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude passes through Kanyakumari. There is a very special monument located in Kanyakumari known as Gandhi Memorial Mandapam, which is the spot where the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi were kept before immersion in water. Kanyakumari is predicted by Tamilians as the place where the first men and Tamil language originated. So these are the four extreme points of mainland India. But there is another point which is even below than Kanyakumari and is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island group of India. In the Great Nicobar Island of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there is a place known as the Indira Point in the middle of the Bay of Bengal. It is also known as the Pygmalion Point and Parsons Point during the British rule. The beach at Indira Point is even less than half a kilometer in length. It even got submerged in water during the tsunami of 2004 in Bay of Bengal. There is a lighthouse located at Indira Point which provides direction to the sea vessels traveling to Malaysia and Malacca via India. It is a home to a variety of sea creatures. So these were the extreme points of India which throw some light on the geographical diversity of India. Hope you find this video interesting. Thank you.